Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 11.4 algebra. We have already discussed the previous three exercises. Question number 1A. Question number 1A says, take Sarita's present age to be Y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? If I say that presently you are 11 years old, what will be your age after 5 years? Your answer will be 11 plus 5, that is 16 years. Similarly, if Sarita is Y years right now, so her age after 5 years will be Y plus 5 years. Next question says, what was her age 3 years back? If you are 11 years right now, what was your age 3 years back? Your answer will be 11 minus 3, that is 8 years, isn't it? So similarly, if Sarita is Y years right now, so her age 3 years back must have been her present age minus 3, that is Y minus 3 years. Bit number 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. When we say 6 times, it means multiplication. What is the age of her grandfather? So Sarita's present age is Y. Her grandfather is 6 times her age. That is 6 into Y. So her grandfather's age is 6 into Y. That is 6Y years. Bit 4. Her grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So children, what was grandfather's age? It was 6Y. So her grandmother is 2 years younger to her grandfather. So grandmother's age is equals to grandfather's present age minus 2. That is 6Y minus 2 years. But number 5. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. 3 times Sarita's age is 3Y and 5 years more means plus 5. So her father's age will be 5 plus 3 into Sarita's present age, that is 5 plus 3Y years. Question number 1C. A rectangular box has a height of 8 centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of its height. So as per the question, the height is 8 centimeter. Then the question says the length is 5 times the height. 5 times, as I always say, when it is times means it is multiplication. So the length will be 5 into the height, that is 5h centimeter. Then the question says that the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So what is the length, children? It is 5h. So 10 centimeter less means subtraction. So the breadth will be 5 into h minus 10, that is 5h minus 10 centimeters. Question number 1E says, a bus travels at v kilometers per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? We need to express it using V. So let's see the solution. The speed is always calculated in terms of either meter per second or kilometers per hour. So speed is V kilometers per hour. The distance travelled in 5 hours is 5 into V kilometers. So the total distance travelled in 5 kilometers is 5V kilometer. But the question also says that the Bispur is 20 kilometers still away. So the distance from Daspur to Bispur is 5V plus 20 kilometers, because they have still 20 kilometers to reach Bispur. Question number 2. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. A notebook costs rupees 5, whereas a book costs rupees 3p. A book costs 3 times the book cost of a notebook. I have done only the odd bits, students. Even bits you need to solve. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. The statement in ordinary language will be 20 number of students in the total number of students in the school is 20 times that of our class. In an arrangement of dots, there are rows. Each row contains 5 dots. The total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows. Question number 3a. Given Munu's present age to be x years, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? X minus 2 may show a lot of things, students. It may show Munu's age 2 years back. It may show Munu's younger brother's or sister's age. Okay, so can you guess what x plus 4 may show? It may show Munu's age after 4 years, or it may show the age of Munu's elder brother or sister. What may 3x plus 7 show? 3x plus 7, because it is a greater expression, so it might show the age of Munu's father or mother. So let's see. X minus 2 represents the person age who is x minus 2 years, and he is 2 years younger to Munu. You can also write it as x minus 2 may represent Munu's age 2 years back. X plus 4 may represent the person's age who is x plus 4 years, or he is 4 years elder to Munu, that is elder brother or sister of Munu. Or also you can write x plus 4 represents Munu's age 4 years from now. 3x plus 7 represents the person age who is 3x plus 7 years old or elder to Munu, and his age is 7 years more than 3 times of that of Munu's age. This is how we write it in ordinary language. 3c says, given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show and what may n by 2 show? So 2n might show the number of students who like either football or some other game like tennis, whereas n by 2 shows the number of students who like tennis out of the total number of students who like football. I hope the sums are getting clear in your mind. You are getting a clear picture of what algebra is. Solve this exercise in your notebook, students, and ask your doubt to your teachers if somewhere you feel stuck. You can also come back and repeat and see the video again to get the picture clear in your mind. So see you in the next class where we will be solving exercise 11.5. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.